Nothing.
Nothing. Nothing when her.
A.
Nothing. My hair.
M.
How'd they do with the scout song tonight? Or the camp song?
Looked like N.
Yeah, it's alright.
Oh, shoot it. Oh, shoot it. Last agua?
You're in my way, mister.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Andrew. Oh, cow.
Yeah! Woohoo! I'm still cow! Woohoo! I'm still cow! Woohoo! I'm still cow!
He loves it.
Everything I learned is...
Do a funky dance.
Yeah, he loves it. Look at him.
Hey, Andrew, when I call on you for a Wiggle-O this week, what dance are you going to do?
The lawnmower.
No, which one? No, I like the old one better. Show him the old one. Show him the old, okay, here. We'll let them decide. He's got 2 fans. Show him the new fan. Show him the new one. This is the old one. Show him the old one. That's the fan. Now show him the new one. Which one do you guys like?
The old one.
We all like the old one. Show him the chair. He names his dances. Show him the popcorn. Show him the worm. Go over there and do it.
Over there on the concrete, yeah.
That's the frog. Okay, show him, let's see. Show him the running man. The sprinkler, excuse me, the sprinkler.
Nice.
Awesome. Now ask him which dance you should do when I call on you for Wiggle-O.
The sprinkler.
The sprinkler. Yeah, the
Like the sprinkler.
Do the worm, then the sprinkler.
And the worm.
Yeah, the worm and sprinkler.
Okay, so show him the sprinkler.
I did already!
Show him again.
No, it's not. I've never been in an epidemic in my life.
Andrew, come over here.
Remember when we all had prison poison and cats and blood? Yeah, I'll let you describe.
Really get them jazz.
I would, but we forgot our radio.
Big muscle, sir. Big muscle, sir.